Are you struggling to manage your manufacturing operations, inventory, and production planning efficiently? Introducing a smart manufacturing management software designed to automate your entire production process from planning to delivery. In this demo, you will see how this powerful system helps manufacturers streamline operations, reduce costs, and improve productivity. Small diamond production planning and BOM management. Easily define bill of materials, track raw material consumption, and calculate accurate production costs in real time. Small diamond inventory management. Manage both raw materials and finished goods with real-time stock visibility across warehouses. Avoid overstocking, reduce wastage, and maintain optimal inventory levels. Small diamond demand forecasting and smart planning. Analyze stock requirements based on current inventory, pending orders, and future production needs. Checkmark order-wise stock calculation. Checkmark available versus required stock tracking. Checkmark material requirement planning. Small diamond manufacturing operations management. Handle sales, supply chain, quality control, and waste management to improve efficiency and product quality. Small diamond accounting and HRM. Track financial data, manage employee attendance, salaries, and control access with secure role-based permissions. Small diamond white label software, fully customizable with your own brand name, logo, and identity, perfect for businesses and resellers. Lightbulb. This software is ideal for manufacturers who want to reduce manual work, improve accuracy, and scale their operations efficiently. Right finger